Since its founding in 1992, Scott Harris Hospitality has grown from a single Italian restaurant to a group of 5 concepts across 25 locations in 3 states. All their locations serve contemporary and traditional foods ranging from Italian to Mexican cuisine. For years, the management team at Scott Harris Hospitality has partnered with RAM to provide its stores the best telecommunications services and support. Recently, management was looking for help in several key areas. First, management wanted to replace the aging phone infrastructure with a more agile and cost-effective system. Second, management wanted RAM to upgrade internet services for better reliability, performance, and management control. Finally, RAM was asked to consolidate services and vendors in order to streamline support and lower overall costs. Like all retailers, Scott Harris Hospitality needed to keep answering calls and processing sales during evening and weekend hours. First, phone systems were replaced on a priority basis with the caveat that the new technology continued to provide traditional key system features such as call transfer, pickup, and line status. The new hosted phone solution answered all of management's concerns. RAM needed to deliver a system that also delivered better reliability and support during all hours. The new hosted phone solution comes with complete documentation, training, and SD-WAN technology. RAM knew phone company support would be at a minimum during late-night hours. So, after much research, RAM brought in the right partner to provide business-class voice service and redundancy. RAM, its partners, and the client all collaborated to construct a package that would use the new internet system in a complementary way. If a service interruption occurs, a software-defined firewall redirects all voice and data traffic to the surviving service. In practice, the new service's collective uptime has increased dramatically over the previous internet system. So much so that in 6 months' time, RAM's repair calls and outages have decreased by over 50%. In instances where human intervention is needed, Scott Harris Hospitality has access to RAM personnel during business and late-night hours for troubleshooting and repair assistance. The final challenge was replacing a variety of service providers with a uniform solution. After months of research and negotiation, RAM helped Scott Harris Hospitality management team phase out dozens of separate accounts and replace those with a single voice provider and a single internet provider. This consolidation simplified customer support and accounting. Scott Harris Hospitality was able to use this consolidation to maximize its buying power and receive maximum discounts for their new services. If you would like to know more about these and other solutions, contact RAM Communications today at our number below or check out more of our information on our website. Thank you and have a great day.